So welcome to another Simply Diagnostics video down here at the SimplyDiag Community Hub in bright and sunny Cheshire. No shorts today. Yeah, what's happened to that weather after the bank holiday? Somebody fibbed to me. Anyway, we've got Tom's flown over from Germany.
Hi Tom.
So Tom's a JLR dealer technician. He's coming to have a look at our process training. He's a long-term member of the community. So he's come for 2 days ride along from Germany. We're a bit short on work. If you need your car looking at, give us a shout. We want these problem faults. Anyway, we've got the Pichler Tools Volvo in today, and we're just going through a process. This vehicle's been stood for a while. It's got a few issues with it, and we're running through a process as if this was a real paying job that had been coming from a customer whose car had been sat on the drive for 6 or 8 months, coming for an MOT with a lot of MOT failures. So we're running through it, our process, data gathering using the KTS590 from Diagnostic connections and DC tuning. We're going to put the Drivepro 2 on it from Opus IVS. Give them a look at that, and the Autocom. We're going to run through the various tools that we've got, what functions they have, what capabilities they've got, their strengths, their weaknesses, technical information, all that. We're having a really great time. This is day 2 of Tom's ride along. You want to ride along? Book your place. SimplyDiag.net, membership benefits. Thanks for watching. You're awesome.